Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect.
Hello my wonderful people, hello my correct people, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. I greet all of una according to una time. Yes, my amazing people, I will drop the video sharply make una watch and concerning the video where our Edo man do Apostle Alfred concerning Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, about Biafra and Oduduwa. And when I go through the comment section, people come they insult am, they tell am many things. I beg, make una no vex. Like, as I dey, nobody go tell me, say, see wetin you go do, say, see wetin you go do. I have my right to choose my choice. I don dey talk am before for this channel. I no be Igbo, but right from when I begin dey grow up, my mama don dey tell us, say, and my papa, he say, e get land wey dem dey call Biafra. Biafra dey exist. Okay, now Biafra don come now say okay, they want their land back. Land wey be say they want their Biafra back. Biafra wey be say Aboki people, Fulani Esme people use force take. It can't be anything. Now I dey talk and say war don dey happen for different places. Some people say which war? Just sit down. Make dem not release Biafra. Sit down. Watch wetin go happen now thing. Let me not just measure anything and make una stop to dey attack people with their choice. Everybody get right to their own opinion. I am a Biafran. It's none of your just accept your own. Say you not be Biafran. No attack other people will be Biafran. They say they don't know wetin they talk. Go and walk. E get work. Like the thing they make me they one kind. We will just listen to wetin he talk. Whether now or never, I support Biafra. And you don't say where you don't begin they talk this thing. Because Nigeria know they work hard. Person go they sick, he go hospital. Before you know it, they will say the person don't bear ROIP. Because no better treatment. Where it be say our president of Fulani, from Fulani country, if he get small headache, if they don't fly and go UK, they don't fly and go different country. At least make with the reason well. This matter, your matter, if they vex my correct people, make I not come use vaccination, take pour everything at. Meanwhile, if today na the first time we say you dey come across my channel and you see me they talk like this, I better make you no vex because the matter don't to the hot. Because these Biafran people, right from day one when I begin the year story, they don't give most of them RIP. Even this Nnamdi Kanu, they delete the papa and the mama and the relation because of Biafran. Now, una also can make it relax. Make it not fight for Biafra. Or if you continue to fight, Biafra not come. Anything where they see, make them take on like that. I been make you not vex if today now the first time you see you come across my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate you all. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always supporting this platform. And if you never subscribe, I beg kindly hit on that subscribe button because now daily news now they drop for here. Any news as I take the land for my table, now so I take they bring out they come here. And also put on the notification bell so that anytime we be say I drop any new video, you will be the first person to constantly check them out. And I beg if you find this video interesting, share this video. Leave your comment below. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. You don't tell when I begin the talk. And also give the video a huge thumb up. Because we not go feel remain and we not go feel die in silence. We need to speak out. We need to speak out. Even though say we not there for Nigeria, our family they there. We know waiting that they suffer. If your family know they call you say, see waiting they happen for Nigeria. My own family they call me. It's bad. Let's watch the video, guys.
The fighting and the killings, the burning of police station right now where they go for East, Nnamdi Kanu is not involved. All these things have been orchestrated by the Fulani government so that those areas will still be ungovernable. Truth is bitter and we will continue to talk as they be. Time will not reach for us to stand for the truth. And I want to make this declaration today. If you are not supporting Sunday Igboho, you are not supporting Nnamdi Kanu, then you are an enemy of the people. I say it today without fear or favor. If you know they support Nnamdi Kanu, you know they support Sunday Igboho, then you are supporting the Cow Republic, which happened to be the leader is the President Bubu himself. President Bubu is the leader of the Cow Republic, and we must tell ourselves the truth because we have been oppressed for a very long time in our own country. A country where people cannot stand out to say the truth. The country where the people are so afraid because of fear of the unknown. Listen to me. God has not given unto us the spirit of fear, but of love and of sound mind. And the Bible said, do not be afraid of those who can kill the body, but rather fear whom can destroy both soul and body in hell, which is Jesus. I fear no soul, but I respect all soul. I fear no soul, but I respect all soul. Now I am sending my message to the Nigerian federal government. Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist, so why declare him a terrorist? The real terrorist, which is Patami, who have come out to declare his support for the Al-Qaeda. Now the federal government have not deployed the Nigerian army to go after Patami. Enough is enough. We can no longer be oppressed again in our own land. We are not afraid. Why? Because the hour has come for us to tell the Nigerian government, when you push the people to the wall, the people will fight back. When you push the people to the wall, the people will fight back. This is the reason why I'm advocating, let every region go to their own separate way, because the federal government have given us a clue that they believe more for the cow, they care for the cow, because the cow is their major target. A country where the leader believe more on livestock than a human stock. The human stock build a capacity, but the animal stock does not build any capacity. How much revenue that the cow has brought to the federal government treasury? No. Cow is a personal business. Why is it that the president have taken it as a contract to begin to model into a personal business? Why the people have been complaining, cement is so expensive, things are so expensive. The deaf and the cow government have not been able to come out to tell the people, let us make life sweet for them. Now you want to go after IPOB? Now God go punish you now. Now you want to go after Eastern Security? Now God go punish you now. Now you are going after Nnamdi Kanu? Now God go punish you now. This is the time for us to stand to defend our fatherland. If we perish, we perish, but we will never perish. We are going to see the end of this struggle in Nigeria. We can no longer be oppressed. We have suffered too long. We have been through pain for too long. We can no longer be slave again for the second time in Nigeria. Freedom is now or never. All that we demand right now is freedom. Freedom from Bubu. Freedom from Cow Republic government. The Nigerian government, every led by President Bubu, have alerted the whole world that they believe more on cow than human being. Any bastard that will come to tell me, Apostle Alfred, why are you supporting IPOB? Now God will punish you. Anybody that will come to tell me, Apostle Alfred, why are you supporting Nnamdi Kanu? Now God will punish you. Because the time has come for us to call a spade a spade. We stand for the freedom of our people. Our people have been oppressed for a very long time. A nation where the people cannot speak. This is the time we must all put aside all our individual religion, background, or ethnicity, or political party. These are nothing to do with a political party. Whether you are for APC or you are for PDP, when the calamity struck, the calamity will never ask you which party do you belong to. The disaster that is about to befall Nigeria will never ask you where do you belong to. Are you PDP or APC? They will only ask you, are you a Muslim or you are not a Muslim? They will ask you, are you a Muslim or you are not a Muslim? Because where we stand today, Nigeria is standing on a time bomb, and very soon it will soon explode. It will soon explode. So every day I will continue to declare my support for Nnamdi Kanu, because he's a great leader. Nnamdi Kanu does not support terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu is a man who discovered the oppression of the people. And he decided to create a security network to protect the people. And some bastard will come and tell me, Apostle Alfred, why are you supporting him? You know where you decrease. you decrease. If the same people that could not speak out against Patami declaration for terrorists, now you want to speak against, IPOB, that God will kill you now. We must all come out to defend our motherland because the nation is not working. A nation where the leader come out and begin to lie to the people. A nation where the leaders don't care about the people. Once upon a time, the federal government threatened to sue Twitter. Now, Twitter refused to bring their headquarters to Nigeria. Do you know why? Number one, there is no light in Nigeria. No government in Nigeria. And you expect Twitter to bring their headquarters to Nigeria? It's not possible. It is not possible. Freedom is now or never. We must all fight for the freedom of our people. It is not by gun, no, not by bullets, no, by the words of our mouth and wisdom. Because the Bible says, by strength shall no man prevail. For one with God is majority. This is my message to IPOB members. All of you, keep on trusting in God. Focus on God, because God is our shield, is our armor bearer, is our defender, is our buckler. Anybody that puts his trust on God will never go down. Yahweh will continue to defend the people. Yahweh will continue to fight for the people. Time has come that everybody must begin to be his father's name. Where you belong, let the whole world know. As for me and my household, I declare my support for Nnamdi Kanu. Come day, come sun, come time. Whoever wants verse me, go verse. If you are not comfortable that Apostle Fred is declaring his support for Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, go and look for a life transformer. Go and choke your hand and die there. Today, the nation is under siege. Now we have people speaking for us. Why the federal government they go after Nnamdi Kanu? Why have they refused to go after Patani and other terrorist groups in Nigeria? The reason why the federal government have not been able to fight terrorists in this country because they are the chief benefactor of the terrorist attack in Nigeria. They are the chief benefactor of the terrorist attack in Nigeria. And we must tell the people, enough is enough. We cannot die now. No. Why? Because our life is not in your hands. Our life is not in the hands of the Nigerian army. Our life is not in the hands of the DSS or the police or whatever they call themselves. Our life is in the hands of God. So we are not afraid to say it the way it is. If you are not comfortable with the activities of Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, then you are an enemy of progress. If you refuse to support Biafra and other people agitating for their freedom, then you are a coward. Then which means you are supporting the cow republic. All of us fold hand. We keep quiet. Nobody's talking. To allow those our coward leaders to begin to tell us they want to begin to count livestock. Do you know how many billions of naira the useless government want to budget for that cow business? Now, it is so glaring to the whole world that the federal government are the ones sponsoring the clash between the farmers and the herder. It's so clear. It's so clear. But now God will punish all of you now. It's so clear. Whereby farmers cannot go to market and go to their farm anymore. Food has becoming so expensive. These are our coward leaders that call themselves senators. They have never passed a bill or debate on the floor how to make life good for the people. How to even pay stipends to the people that have no job, the unemployed youth on our street. Our coward leaders, they've not been able to pass a bill or to discuss on how they can eradicate poverty in Nigeria. Or all they are discussing is all about cow. What a shame to the people. The hour has come for the people to arise and say, no more. Enough of this oppression. No more. Enough is enough of this oppression. We can no longer be oppressed in our own land. We are tired of this oppression. We are tired. Anybody fighting for the freedom of the people, you have my support. Nnamdi Kanu, you have my support. Sunday Igboho, you have my support. Showore, you have my support. These are the people. Aisha, you have